Okay, so we're gonna do a Snapchat video because my memory's almost full of my eyebrows. I wasn't gonna do them, but figured we should. So I use e.l.f. The ultra precise brow pencil because the precise ones are better, or Ulta Beauty, also a precise. It's called Ultra Slim. I'm gonna start with the lighter one, Aldo, just because I like to have the middle of my eyebrows lighter than the ends. You get darker as you go. Alright. So this is before we brush build them, you can see. Okay. Getting hot in here. Cool. So I usually start like at the bottom, and then like I'll start at like in this part, just get the outline of the eyebrow. So that's the start. Sorry about the angle. Just didn't want to get my selfie thing ready. So we're here. If someone's an eyebrow technician, give them a lot of credit because eyebrows are so hard to like even out and like make perfect. Like you need a person that's like really good at like working with their mind, thinking like what would look best. Because one fuck up like just turns off the whole vibe. I do my eyebrows too like tonight. Because like, what takes the longest is getting them like perfectly even, which isn't always easy. Look at that, only 4 Snapchat videos and we're basically done. This would have took me like 10 minutes last year to do something not even good. So last year was not doing my eyebrows good. I mean, I was, my eyebrows weren't good, so it was hard to make them look good with makeup. But when you're already working with something pretty even, it makes the whole process a lot easier. I think after this video we'll be done. Well, after the next one we do. Cool. I mean, we're basically done. I just like to, the first like 10-20 minutes, I like to like take some off that I think's too much. Because like when you first put it on, you don't know. You just think it looks good. But throughout like a few, like 20 minutes, whatever, a little bit of time, you start to realize like, maybe there's too much here. Maybe I need some more over here. So I like to give it a few. But this is the end product for right now. I usually do like to go through it, but for right now, I think this looks decent. Yeah. Again, not perfect. And that's my eyebrows now. Pretty bomb, huh? It's only like 3 minutes of getting them done. Cool.
You can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.